What's up, everyone? Choi here with CultivatedChange.com. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to hear me because there's a backhoe going behind me and construction across the road from me. But we'll see. I needed to do this while I was in my head. There's construction. This is a call to action video, not instruction. Usually when I'm chatting with people about garden stuff, it'll be barriers to entry for gardening and growing their own food. It's, I don't have the time, I don't have the land, and if I want to grow something, I would want it to be pretty and a tomato or a cucumber. I understand all those things, but this is a 4x8 behind me, and it is bumping with arugula right now. You don't need a lot of land. You don't need any land. You can do it on a balcony, fill it with compost. Almost all of the most nutrient-dense vegetables there are leafy greens, dark leafy greens. Anything in the kale family, Swiss chard. I absolutely love growing arugula, growing spinach, and growing lettuce, and we'll go over there and find those. Prince, my cat, says hi. He's right there. Lettuce is probably my favorite. So it's a call to action because it's October, and it still is only taking about 45 greens, 45 days to grow greens. This lettuce mix is from True Leaf Market, link below. I love them just because, even if I do always recommend supporting a local seed company if you have one, but a lot of people don't, and their shipping time is fantastic and germination rates are great. And Prince is really wanting to be in the shot, so that's Prince. Anyway, this was seeded about 2 weeks ago. Trying to avoid the noise. So that'll be ready in about a month. Spinach, for all you spinach lovers. I hate spinach. Never liked it, but my roommate likes it. And then arugula. So all those things take about 45 days. Anywhere from 21 to 45 days, depending on your light levels. If you have 8 hours of sun, you can probably get away in 3 weeks. But beet greens behind me. Anything you like eating that's quick, that's leafy, head lettuce even. So let's walk back over to head lettuce. This is just romaine right here that I shoved in some germination trays, and it was ready in about 3 weeks. Whatever you will do and like doing, you should do. The leafy greens are actually the most expensive by weight. So how much would you spend on a thing of salad mix? Probably about $5. And you're gonna do that every week. So if you do that every week, that's 250, 260 bucks. Yeah, so you can get a 1 pound bag of lettuce mix from True Leaf. Actually, I think it's half pound. 2 half-pound bags for like 10 bucks. So a $10 purchase will give me lettuce for 2 years. I haven't even remotely touched that bag yet. Same thing with arugula. Dirt cheap. Arugula is a little heavier, but each seed is going to give you a little bit bigger plant. So point is, grow the expensive stuff. Let the farmers grow carrots, potatoes, mainly because it's hard and a pain to harvest. So I've grown those all before. Harvesting potatoes sucks. You need machinery for it usually. It's not fun. So let the specialized farmers whose job it is to be efficient at that do that. Grow whatever you like and whatever you want to go outside and pick each day. So there's something super satisfying about just coming out, cutting down some arugula, maybe a little bok choy and lettuce, putting some steak tips or some chicken on it. You can eat that like for every meal. Greens, high protein, and I'm currently doing high fat, whatever you want to do. Just get your nutrition in there. Get an array of greens, cover your bases. We'll give you a shot of the bok choys and the lettuce to close. These guys right here. 45 days, you still have time. Put up a low tunnel. I'll put my carrot video right here. There's fiberglass hoops, cover it with a very thin piece of film. You can make a little mini greenhouse. And you can grow with very little light, and you'll trap the heat inside there, give yourself an extra 5 to 10 degrees. Point is, reclaim your nutrition, grow whatever you can, wherever you're able, whatever you will eat, it's worthwhile, especially with random shortages. There are no food shortages if you're growing your own food. Take an entire section of vegetables out of it, grow your leafy greens. All the links to the seeds below.